Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ESR Math Case. It's compatible with iPad Pro 12.9 inches, 5th generation. The 4th generation from 2020 should be matched too, I think, because the dimensions are the same like the 12.9 inches iPad Pro from 2021. And the awesome thing is, with pencil holder, it's a soft, flexible back cover. It supports the pencil wireless charging option. This is from the Project Zero series, and it is frosted clear in this case by ESR. Of course, you can buy it in black too, but in my case you can see the white math model. It's only compatible with iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2021, 5th generation, model A2378, 82461, 82379, and 82462. And I think the iPad Pro from 2020 should be matched too. It's a sleek bag-only design. It protects our phone or our iPad. Because I'm going to use my iPad as phone too, so it's a phone and an iPad at the same time for me, sorry. But it can protect our iPad while keeping it light and easy to carry. The bad thing on this is it is an edge protection, and you can use the front side all day long, no problem. You do not have to fold anything. You can use it as you like before, okay? Built-in holder keeps our pencil too safe while it's charging. And it is a flexible matte polymer, offers maximum durability while staying free of fingerprints and scratches. And if you're going to attach a glass film on the front side, after you protect the back side, you can choose to protect the front side too. Then you have your iPad Pro ready for all day use on vacation and on the job, if you are on travel or if you're going to work a lot of it in the free space out there. Pressed cutters and easy press button covers ensure our iPad works seamlessly with the case on. That Project Zero pencil case with built-in pencil holder. It's compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. You can use it in frosted black, or you can buy it in frosted clear, like here. And it will really nice protect your edges and your pencil easily, and it looks really nice. You can see the branding on the back side while this is installed on it. Smooth, free matte finish, touch polymer, pressed cutouts, and snug fit. And it's really easy. You have to slide in your iPad easily, get the edges connected, job's done. And if you're going to remove it, you do this on the same, like you push a little bit on the outsides, on the edges, and then slip it out easy, really easy. It's easy on and easy off. It's shock absorbing, and it is raised camera edges, so you can use your cameras while this Project Zero case is already installed. This is a really awesome thing to protect your iPad Pro. That is the ESR Math Case. It's compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2021. With pencil holder, it's a soft and flexible back cover. It supports the pencil wireless charging. It's from the Project Zero series by ESR. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.